Guys, it's me, Shania. Today we are going to make strawberry honey balsamic vinaigrette. We start with 1 cup chopped strawberry, then we add a 1/4 cup balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey, and 1/4 cup olive oil. Now we blend all the ingredients. Okay, blend all the ingredients. And voila! Your strawberry honey balsamic vinaigrette dressing is ready. And this is very good for salad. And don't forget to thumbs up my video and subscribe to my channel for new exciting recipe. Bye!